The Experience Week is recommended for anybody entering the electrical industry. It's an opportunity to work within our 3 mock flats in a real-life environment to do electrical installation. The aim of the course is to build your confidence as an electrician so that we assure that you are confident about working in the industry, and we also give you a real chance to actually make any mistakes that you're going to make within a controlled environment.
ECF are the only ones that do this, certainly from what I've looked at, and we actually come to mock dirt flats and we do a complete installation of a bathroom and sockets. You had to put up plasterboard and running cables, which is something I've not done before, so that's been very good.
It gives you the opportunities to actually learn how to survey, price and quote for a job. We teach you about the marketing of yourself as an electrician, and also to actually test the installation as you would do on a real site job, not just on a practice training board. There is no assessment on the course because it's just a practice course for you to actually hone your skills before you go out to work in the industry. The aim of the course is to build your confidence as an electrician so that we are sure that you are confident about working in the industry.